The war veteran leader Blessed Case has a broadcast message about the generals for sale. On Friday last week, was informed by widening divisions which have now emerged within the Zimbabwe Defense Forces ZDF over President Emerson Mnangagwa's bid to extend his term beyond 2028 to 2030. Sanabina mashoko arikuda panguva ino atiri kuona ataura pamusoro chaos iri kuitika mumabarracks zvakonzereswa nemashoko akaexposwa naBongshogeza in his last address zvakonzeresa chaos pamwechete mamwe masplits zvaonekwa kunzi zvichaaffecta mutungamiri wenyika CBT for 2030. Ndobva subscribe like on the bell icon ndina mhamobani kwamuchinzi. President Emerson Mnangagwa's bid to extend his term beyond 2028 to 2030. Geza is campaigning for Mnangagwa to go, saying he is corrupt, incompetent, and he has dismally failed. Some army commanders have taken a firm stand to the hilt with Mnangagwa, who is seeking stay on his power until 2030 or beyond, while also trying to influence who his successor should be. Mnangagwa does not want the VP Chiwenga or Okembo Moad to succeed him. For instance, Mnangagwa is firm support of ZF Commander General Philip Varela's Rwanda, his Midlands homeboy, and some claim a relative within their broad Ziwanda/Shumba clan. Mnangagwa, some of whose relatives are Zibandas, recently removed Zimbabwe's National Army Commander Lieutenant General Anselm Sanyatwe, as he did not support him amid fears he might be ousted in a post like a predecessor, the late former President Robert Mugabe. Mnangagwa was Mugabe's protege, but he toppled him after he had been fired as vice president in November 2017. Sanyatwe was replaced by Lieutenant General Emmanuel Matatu, a Ziwanda close friend. Both Ziwanda and Matatu, who are former Zebra commanders, are from Gokwe in Mnangagwa's home region, Midlands province. However, Chiwenga, who commanded the ZDF for 14 years, having been in the military since 1980, has deep roots and connections in the military, giving him serious leverage over the shape and determine his own political destiny. Senior army chiefs loyal to Chiwenga, including Sanyatwe, who is now sports minister, are against Mnangagwa's possible third term, citing constitutional limits and their own candidates' aspiration for power and access to public resources. The chaos is critical right now, but kuna factions our allow mutungamiri wenyika nemamwe kupusha for hit because Chiwenga right now arikuna kokwansi vakomana avo mafactions avo panguva ino achimira zvine simba. Now people they are watching to see kuti ndeipi ichakurira imwe. Todze mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko chine comment section menyu mafunguro enyu. Subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.